Hey, my name is Martin Lindstrom. I'm the New York Times bestselling author of biology and my latest book, which is Small Data. And I'm going to catch up with you guys the 9th of October in Portugal, where I'm going to attend the Business Transformation Summit this year. Now, I'm very excited because one of the things I'll take you through is some behind-the-scenes studies on what is really going on in the consumer's mind. And how do you take these seemingly insignificant observations and drag out of people's minds and create a foundation for a whole transformation of a major organization? We're focusing not just on customer insight, but also customer experiences. We're looking at the brand, we're looking at the organization, and we're looking, most importantly, at the culture. It is 5 important dimensions which I'm going to tell you more about. But most importantly, perhaps, I'm also going to look at the political landscape and what it really takes within an organization to turn it around and not fail, like, by the way, what 95% of all organizations are doing around the world whenever they try to be different. So it's going to be very interesting and hopefully very insightful session you'll see. I certainly am looking forward to it, so hopefully I'll see you the 9th of October in Portugal.